And they're going to count it 1, 2, 3.
Nisaya Ravinaka, and greetings to you all. As I do on these occasions, I normally start by just acknowledging the traditional landowners on the land on which we gather today. Turang sakatigi nandunumay, wasakanangan turang nati Suva. Kanto kay sakatiko na nememay sota. And nomuni choso and singanikua. And baletana donatan no bimbi baletir nandongane. Bimbi urer bikai tiko na mate na cancer. And ananda bunua. Kena kena sangai tiko me panganggal betai kena kena vingarag. I was just thanking the Suva for allowing us together here today to be at this launch of the National Childhood Cancer Month, Awareness Month, and also to perhaps shine the spotlight once again on childhood cancer and the great work that was Fiji through the Taholo family has been doing, not only in Fiji but across the wider region as well. So to Madam Ambassador Julie Dissas, the Ambassador for France to Fiji, Marama Laucala, I see some big captains of industry here today, and officials from the Suva City Council, welcome. To one and all, to the founders and board members of WOW's Kids Fiji, members of the medical fraternity who are here, and certainly the Ministry of Health. I noticed in my remarks that my colleague, the Honorable Minister for Health, was supposed to be here as well, and I know that he does share passion in terms of assisting WOWs and childhood cancer or health generally. And it's a great pleasure to be here with you all. And once again, Nisambula Binaka, and a very good morning to you all. We are not here today for a formality or a launch alone. We are gathered here because across Fiji, a child may be battling fatigue, pain, or weight loss, and neither their parents nor their teachers know that it could be the early signs of cancer. We are here for them, for every child who is fighting cancer, for every family carrying that heavy burden, for every healthcare worker, volunteer, and friend walking beside them. We are here because we believe no child should fight alone. WOW's Fiji began not with a board meeting, nor a government policy, but with a promise. A 15-year-old girl, Tayakami, facing the cruel reality of cancer, asked her parents to promise her something, that her experience would not be in vain, that her story would help others, that they would use her song, Walk On, Walk Strong, to raise awareness and build something meaningful for children like her. And that is precisely what they have done. Since founding it in WOW's Fiji in 2009, WOW's Kids Fiji has become not the only organization in Fiji providing direct support to children diagnosed with cancer, supporting not only our local children, but those who travel from across the Pacific seeking treatment. WOW's pays for transport, medications, medical tests, nutritional care, counseling, recreational support, you name it. They walk the entire journey with these children and their families. Today, in 2025, they are supporting 57 children of whom 17 are undergoing treatment, 14 are in post-recovery, 9 are receiving palliative care, and 17 has survived for more than 5 years. Let us pause and acknowledge this remarkable, life-changing work. It is both a labor of love and a legacy of hope. Internationally, Childhood Cancer Awareness Month is marked in September. So you might ask, why does August matter? But here in Fiji, we honor it in August, a month that holds deep significance, as it was on the 16th of August 2008 that Tai Kami left us. So every August in Fiji, we are not only raising awareness, we are raising our voices, our hearts, and our commitment. Childhood cancer is different from adult cancer. It's not about lifestyle or environment. It can be difficult to detect. And tragically, far too many cases remain underground, undiagnosed until it is too late. That is why this month and every month, we call on parents, grandparents, teachers, community leaders to learn the signs, act early, and speak up. Early diagnosis saves lives. The Fijian government is proud to stand beside WOW's Fiji in this mission. Through our three-year Memorandum of Understanding with WOW's Kids Fiji, the Ministry of Health and Medical Services is actively supporting awareness initiatives across the country. This includes the wider distribution of flyers, bookmarks, posters with early warning signs to clinics, hospitals, and schools, awareness workshops, such as the recent one conducted with over 40 women from Ba, Laucala, and Nandi areas. Continued medical engagement through our twinning program with Christchurch Pediatric Oncology Center, which has provided expert advice since 2008. And direct support from the Ministry of Women, Children and Social Protection, funding vital nutritional and care packs for affected children. These are not one-off activities. This is systemic. It is a long-term investment in better outcomes for our children. We must also acknowledge that while survival rates in high-income countries sit over 80%, here in Fiji and other developing countries, we are still hovering at 20%. This is not acceptable. And it is why we must continue to build capacity, improve access, and work as one family, as one nation, all together. And now I turn to the private sector, our valued partners. You are not just here as donors. You are here as change makers. We encourage you to invite WOWs into your workplaces. A 15-minute awareness session could arm your staff with life-saving information. You could be the reason one child's illness is caught early. We also invite you to be part of the WOW's Big Four campaigns. Shave or Save, Gift Your Birthday, the Great WOW's Walk, or just simply direct donations in cash or kind. Every contribution counts, no matter the size. Media and myth busting as a topic. To our friends in the media, and some of you are here today, you have a very powerful platform. Please use it to spread the truth and compassion. Too many myths surround cancer. Myths that cause fear, shame, and silence. Cancer is not a curse. It is not contagious. It is not the fault of a child or their parents. It is an illness, and it deserves our attention, compassion, and a united response. To the brave children, our brave children present here today, and their parents, you are warriors in every sense. You may be small in size, but your courage is greater than any of us can truly understand. To the families, you are seen, you are loved, and you are not alone. To the survivors, we celebrate you. Your journey gives hope to every child newly diagnosed today. And to ours, I simply say thank you. Thank you for not giving up, for showing the rest of us what community, purpose, and resilience truly mean. And today, as one of the ministers of the current government, and of course Deputy Prime Minister, you have my solemn promise. The Fiji government will continue to support the work of our Kids Fiji through policy, funding, partnership, and advocacy. We cannot look away. We cannot be silent. We need to work together. And now, with profound respect and full of hearts, I formally declare August 2025 as the Fiji's National Childhood Cancer Awareness Month. May this month bring truth where there is ignorance, hope where there is despair, and healing where there is hurt. Let us be the reason a child dreams, grows, and lives. God bless our children and their families. God bless the Republic of Fiji, and may God bless us all. Thank you.
Misambol Naka, everyone. My name is Luis Kalo. I am 18 years old, and I hail from Wembasanga, Waimala, in the beautiful province of Naitasiri. I am standing in front of you this morning, not just as a speaker, but as a survivor of childhood cancer. When I was just 14 years old, I was diagnosed with ovarian cancer. It came as a shock, but not just to me, but to my whole family. The doctor had to remove my right ovary because that's where the cancer was. After the surgery, they told me I could go home and rest, but I would need to return soon for my chemotherapy treatment before it was too late. I was scared. I didn't want to go through the treatment that they explained to us. I knew it was going to change how I looked and how I felt. But there was Dr. Savanatha who stood by me all the way. He encouraged me and said, "You will feel so much better after treatment." And he was right. But my journey wasn't easy. The early signs and symptoms I experienced were constant high fever with headache, followed by vomiting and swallowed hand. It was a very painful experience. Physically, I lost my hair. Yes, I did have my bandana days to keep my head covered. That gave me some confidence. I lost a lot of weight, and someday I could not even recognize myself in the mirror. Emotionally, I felt alone so much most times, especially when I struggled through pains days and nights. There were times when I actually believed it might be my last day. Socially, my parents stopped taking me out. They were afraid I would get sick when interacting with others. I could not meet other people or go places, so I was stuck at home most time, just me and my family. I want to thank my mother for her strength and determination. When I started getting sick, she never gave up on seeking medical assistance. She took me many times to the last level health center in Waimala, Naitasiri, then to Tamavua Health Center. The doctor at the Tamavua Health Center referred us to CWM, where Dr. Savinatha took over. My parents and my siblings were always by my side. My elder brother would look after me in hospital when my mother couldn't be there. My family loves and our faith in God gave me strength. I'm also deeply grateful for our kid Fiji for their support throughout my cancer journey. My family didn't have to worry about my hospital transportation and medication costs because of WOWs. I got to enjoy activities like family fun day, going to the movie, and trips to Mana Island Resort. WOWs created a safe and fun day environment for me and my other children who were going through the same shit. My cancer journey has taught me a lot. At a young age, I learned what it means to fight and what courage look like. I also learned to hold on to hope when everything around me felt broken. I found my voice as I'm now older, a voice I now use to encourage parents and child caregivers. Please be aware of early signs and symptoms of childhood cancer. Take your children to the hospital if something feels wrong. Do not wait and do not give up. To my fellow warriors, some of you are taking a short break from the hospital this month. You are all brave and strong. I pray for God's divine healing upon you all. I also thank you parents and guardians for strength, commitments, and faith. And to everyone out here today, thank you. Vinagvagalevu for listening, for caring and standing with children like me. Because of generous and loving people like you, we get a second chance at life. Walk on, walk strong. Nak.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for being here today for this important fundraiser launch for WOW's Kids Fiji. I wanted to begin by acknowledging our distinguished guests, Deputy Prime Minister, Madam Ambassador, and the members of the Diplomatic Corps, our parents and our little champs and friends of WOW's. For 16 years, WOW's has been blessed to serve the children of Fiji who are battling cancer. And throughout this journey, we have been sustained by your unwavering support. So to the people of Fiji who believe in our message and our work, thank you for standing with these brave children and their families who are here today. Deputy Prime Minister, for the past week, brought me into a new chapter of service, one that opened my heart in ways I didn't expect. After years of supporting families through childhood cancer with WOW's, I was asked to help with logistics for heart patients arriving from other islands to receive their life-saving heart surgery here in Fiji. It was my first time stepping into those consultation rooms, witnessing the secret space where doctors carefully explain the intricate details of a child's heart condition to anxious parents before surgery. As I sat there watching these brave little ones and their mothers, I was transported back to my own journey with my late daughter. The tears rolling down this mother's eyes, I knew those tears. I had cried them myself. The way their faces crumpled as medical terms washed over them. The desperate search for hope in the doctor's words, the overwhelming weight of decisions that no parent should ever have to make. In those moments, the specific didn't matter, whether it was cancer or heart disease. The maternal anguish was achingly familiar. But what struck me most profoundly was what happened next. Just as I had done, just as countless mothers before us had done, these women wiped their tears, squared their shoulders, and found strength they didn't know they possessed. They pulled themselves together not because the fear disappeared, but because their children needed them to be warriors too. These little heart warriors, and we have our little brave soldiers here. With their brave smiles and trusting eyes, reminded me that while the diseases may be different, the courage required is the same. The love that drives a mother to move mountains, to travel between islands, to face the unknown, it transcends any specific diagnosis. And sitting in those rooms, and I know the parents, those of you who have gone through the journey, I realize something profound, that pain is universal, but so is resilience. Whether we're fighting cancer or heart disease, whether our children are 5 or 15 or 18, we all need each other. We need that network of support, that understanding, not from someone who has walked in similar path, that reminder that we are not alone in our darkest hours. So supporting these hard families this week has reminded me why this work is so important. And all of it matters so deeply, that every child deserves a chance to grow up healthy. Every parent deserves support when facing the unthinkable, and every one of us has the power to be part of someone else's village when they need it most. I know that asking for funds years after years is not easy. For us to ask, and for you to be asked. It's never easy. We understand that every business, every company, every family has limited resources, and many worthy causes competing for support. Yet time and again, you have opened your hearts and given generously. God has been faithful, and through His grace and your compassion, and you know who you are, we have been able to continue the vital work that has been explained by our chief guest today. Your contribution has meant the difference between hope and despair for so many families facing the unimaginable challenge of childhood cancer. 16 years of vows in Fiji, as I sat there at Cyprima Hospital and watching the children go in for their checkup. I see those private rooms, I walk in and they have all this fancy stuff for the heart patient. And I look out at the empty space in front of the hospital. Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, as I look at that open space, how I wish that one day that the government will give us a piece of land that we can provide our support for our children. If the heart patient and heart foundation can do it, why can't WOWS do it? But we need your support. We can't do it alone. We don't have the resources, but we have the will and we have the hope, and we know God will see us through. As I close, I want to share those words, some words that hold special meaning to me and for this cause. These words from my late daughter, and I believe they speak directly to all of you who have made time to be here this morning. I'm standing here with our late daughter's journal. We haven't published it yet. But I want to just take some few words from that as part of our thank you to you. Because I can stand here and read each and every one your name out. But I think because we are here for our children, I just want to read out some words from her journal that we can take it back with us, maybe think about it. One of her entry that she wrote, that one of the songs that she loves to listen to, it says, "Lately I've been waiting, winning battles left and right, but even winners can get wounded in the fight. People say that I'm amazing, strong beyond my years, but they don't see inside of me. I'm hiding all the tears. They don't know that I go running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and cry for just a while, because deep inside this armor, the warrior is a child." We talk about the dream that she wanted us to do and use her song, "Walk On, Walk Strong." And we have her father at the back, and we promised her we will use her song. One of the things that she was talking about, I'll read it out. "My dream is to find support to build a private hospital with full medical facilities." May sound too much and too big, but my faith is big. And even though I don't know what my future holds, but I know who holds my future. If God decides for me to go to Him before fulfilling that dream, I believe, I love this part, I believe He will provide the right people to do it. But for now, I'm going to enjoy my teens, because I'm still young. That was Taha's message. And to end my speech, my thank you notes this morning, I want to thank you, Chief Guest, thank you so much. Madam Ambassador, thank you for making time, and for all of you who make time to come here. To all of you who have been supporting throughout the 16 years. I think 16 years we deserve to have a piece of land, Deputy Prime Minister. We don't have the money, but I know that maybe that's why you're here today, to take the message of walk on, walk strong. And I want to end by saying thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Before Di died, she left a message for us to write on her headstone, that the battle has been won. New life has begun. See you in heaven. And the song of Walk On, Walk Strong, I want you to take it back with you. She started off by introducing her song, that this song is for those who are going through a tough time, whether it's physically, financially, spiritually, or mentally. This song is for you. For the storm won't last too long. Walk on, walk strong. When everything seems wrong, you hold on and walk on. Through the fear and through the fire, to our moms and dads, through the fear and through the fire, we will find your way out. And that's, we have the support of the people of Fiji and those who are here to walk on and walk strong with you. And we run with you for our children and for the future of Fiji. Inaka Vakalevu, Malo, and God bless.